Looking at number 5, we're asked to find the area of the shaded region if CD equals 8. And so here is what is going to be 8. And this is a square, even though it doesn't say it on there. We are looking at a square. And so we want to find the area of the shaded region. And so we use this idea that these 5 regions that are on here are added together to give you the whole region. And so to find the shaded regions, we could subtract the 2 regions. Well, it's easy to find the big region. That's the square, which is 64. And then it's also something to find the circle. Now, to find the circle, you first realize if this is 8 and this is 8 and this is a diameter, that diameter is also going to be 8. And so you have a radius of 4. So if I subtract away that circle, I'm going to do minus 16 pi. So we now have to say, well, what's this going to be? Well, that actually is pretty difficult. So instead of trying to find out what that one is to subtract away, what we realize is 64 minus 16 pi gives us these 4 pieces. And those 4 pieces are identical. And we want to find the area of 3 of them. And so we just multiply 64 minus 16 pi times 3/4. So if we do it 64 minus 16 pi times 3/4, you end up with 48 minus 12 pi. And then for the number 6, it says the area of a circle is 288 pi. And so you just say pi r squared equals 288 pi. The pi's cancel, so we get r squared equals 288. And so r, and actually that's enough. Oh, well, no, it's not. And so then you need to take the square root of that. And so the square root of 288, 144 goes into 288. And so it simplifies to 12 square root of 2. So the radius of our circle is 12 square root of 2. And so circumference just equals 2 pi times the radius. And so that gives us 24 pi square root of 2. So make sure you take the square root of both sides and simplify that square root of 288, and then you multiply it by 2, and then pi to find the circumference.